Hi my loves, as you could tell by the title today, you already know what I'm doing. I am going to do a V-part wig install. I'm going to be showing y'all how to basically install a V-part wig the way I do it. And yeah, so let's get right into the video. Okay guys, so as y'all can see, my hair is literally just in a ponytail. It is not done at all. So basically for this video, what we're gonna do is we're gonna take our hair out and we're going to braid it. But we're gonna start by doing a V-part. Once we have our V-part, we're just gonna twist it out the way, and with the rest of our hair we're gonna braid it. So now we're gonna start by parting our hair to braid it. I feel like with the braiding process, it could look however you want it to look. You don't have to necessarily look any other type of way, but how you want it to look. So how I'm gonna do it is I'm basically gonna braid it like that. Okay y'all, so after your hair is all done and braided, it don't have to necessarily look like mine at all. Like, it could look however y'all want it to look. Mine is just simple, some like big old, just whatever braids. They're just parts not even straight, none of that. They're just messy braids. So I could put this V-part wig on. So once we have that, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna braid my braids together so it could be more flat in the back. It should kind of look something like this. You know, nothing too crazy. Okay, now for the fun part. So basically, I got this synthetic V-part wig, affordable wig. You can use heat on this wig and curl it, straighten it, whatever. But on synthetic hair, y'all should know curls don't really hold that good. So I always try to get curly synthetic hair so I can straighten it if I ever have to. I don't know, it makes sense to me. But anyway, so yeah, this wig was only $35. It's pretty affordable for just something to, you know, throw on. And I got it in my local beauty supply store. So let's go ahead and try this wig on. Got the wig out the bag. This is how she's looking. She's very soft. So I'm gonna start by cutting everything off that doesn't need to be here. And also I'm gonna tighten the wig, adjust it to my size. I have a pretty tiny head. Next, on V-part wigs, this is my first V-part wig too, y'all. This literally is my first time ever doing this, but it honestly should not be that hard. So anyways, it has these little things. We're just gonna cut those off. So now it looks like this. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna basically adjust it to our liking. As I told y'all before, this is my first ever V-part wig. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take out our leave out, and we're gonna just comb through, and we're gonna part it. I probably should have did a deeper part, honestly. We're gonna take our leave out and we're gonna go ahead and straighten it and blend it. y'all, and this is basically how it looks. Okay, y'all, so this is basically the finished look. Quick and easy. So yeah guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on your post notifications so you can be notified whenever I post more content. But thank you guys so much for watching this video, and yeah guys, bye.